Hello, welcome to Engineering Design Simplified. This is my first video on this channel. On this channel, I will be discussing engineering mathematics, engineering mechanics, statics and dynamics, strength of materials, machine elements design, mechanisms, fatigue concepts, fracture mechanics and much more. For today's video, let us start with engineering mathematics and classification of numbers. First one is natural numbers. The set of numbers we have used since we were young when counting, also called counting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Whole numbers. Whole numbers include all natural numbers and also number 0. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Integers. All the whole numbers and their opposites make up the set of integers. For example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Negative integers are -4, -3, -2, -1 and non-negative integers include positive integers along with 0 like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that are divisible by themselves and by 1. Examples 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Ordinal numbers. An ordinal number is one that shows a position in a sequence. For example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and so on. Rational numbers. A number is classified as a rational if one of the following conditions hold true. The number can be expressed as a fraction like a by b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. The number is a terminating decimal, in other words, a decimal that ends rather than continues on infinitely. For example, 6.25. The number is a decimal that repeats in an infinite pattern like 2.297, 297, 297 and so on. Other examples include 3 by 17 minus 5 by 13, etc. etc. Basically, any number that can be written as a fraction is rational number. Irrational numbers. A number that cannot be written as a fraction is considered irrational number. A decimal that does not infinitely repeat itself but yet never terminate. Example, pi. A decimal equivalent of pi is 3.14159265 and so on. Real numbers. The real numbers are made up of the rational and irrational numbers grouped together. On a real number line, each real number for each real number there corresponds only one point on this line. Complex numbers. Complex numbers usually have two distinct parts and look like a plus bi, where a is a real part and bi is an imaginary part. I is equal to square root of -1. For example, 3 plus 2i or 3 plus square root of -4. That's all for today. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.